Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use color correction. See, like this. So it's too easy, so let's get started. But before I start, don't forget to click on the big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. So let's start and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Okay, um first of all, what you have to do is have Premiere Pro. Don't worry if you don't know how to download Premiere Pro. Um, I will do a video, a link on the description. Go to description, and there is a link for how to download Premiere Pro. Don't worry. Okay, so let's show you. Okay, you click on New Project. Here you write color correction. Okay, one. Where do you want to do this location? But don't worry, you can location this even after. Okay, here I have soaps. Okay, let's do it like this. Let me the color, close panel. Mm, okay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, go to import, right click and import, or you can just go to file, go import, or the easiest thing, control I. It's too easy. Now I bring some of my videos. I'm going to think the video that I downloaded. This one. Oh wait, is that this isn't one. This is one. Okay, so what you have to do is bring the video, click on it, and drag and drop it here. But if you want first, before you do this here, maybe to cut it, so you can bring it to here and do mark in and mark out. Like I don't like until this part that the woman is not coming, so I can do mark in, and after when she is gone, so I can come to here and do mark out, and I can click on drag video only, and I can only drag the video. And if I want only the audio, so I click on drag audio only. Okay, so now, oh look, it's doing it like this because I did this here, but I don't want it right now here. I want it like this, full. Okay, let's do it now. What I'm going to do is click on window, go to limited scopes window. I click on limited scopes, and it will come you like wait, let me do close panel. Now I'm gonna click on limited close, and it will come you like this. If it will come you here, that's okay. You just can click and bring it to here. Just bring it to here. So now what I'm going to do is here is showing the video on here on limited scopes is showing the video. So what I'm going to do is go to window, go to limited color, and here I can do whatever I want, which color. But first, what we have to do is go to effects. Now here I'm gonna write Fuji. Fuji is a company, Fuji Film. Okay, that is can bring to you a lot of colors like those. Okay, guys. This will be enough. Now let's do this like this. Okay. I want the fifth one. Okay, you can see it, but you can do like this. Don't worry. The fifth one is really good, so I drag and rub it on the video. On the video. Okay, so now I can here use whatever I want. Now here I can do like this, like this. Okay, I wanted but without nothing. Sharpen. You want this like looks not good, so you can do like this. I rather this like this. Versions that if you wanted like be a sad video like oh my like so you can do like this. Okay, and the saturation is you wanted you can do like this and bigger like this is more showing like whew, it's good day like so I write this and here you can choose a color like I want color this or this or this. Let's I rather this light blue maybe like no maybe green is good. Okay, so I now when I get now what I'm gonna do is bring another video that it's exactly this. Why? You're gonna see why. You saw my video, what I made, yeah, what I just saw you. Oh wait, Control Z. Wait, undo. Let's do undo. Oh, wait just a minute, guys. I'm gonna do this again. Just wait 1 minute. Okay guys, so here I back. Now you just bring another video. You bring the same video again, okay? Just bring the same video again and do it up him. Now what I have to do is right click unlink so you can delete the audio because we don't need it. We're gonna do another audio. So right click and unlink. Now I'm gonna delete the audio. Okay, so now we're gonna go to effects and I'm gonna do crop because as you see in the video what I showed you, what I told you that what we're going to make. So yeah, is this. So like this I'm gonna show you. Now what we have to do is click here when you go to the effect controls. Now you have to do like it's need to be like this first like this. So you click here. You don't have to click here. No, like do like this. Now here we started. Now let's continue. Like it's going to, no. Oh wait, we didn't start the video. Let's start the video. Now here we're gonna do like it comes to here. Now we're gonna do here. It will come to like this. Now continue the video. Once it comes like here, you're gonna do like a little bit like this. And now when the video is like this, we're gonna do it full. Now let's see the video. So this is the video. I'm just going to show you how to export. You can go to export media on Control M. I use it because it's really easy. Go here to present, click on high quality, but you can even use all of those. Is just can help you, but I use usually this, so it can be a big you know when I use the big screen, but when I was using this it wasn't work to me, but it's working. Just the problem it was I didn't save it in the same place and it was something wrong, just I don't know what, but I just fixed it, but now it's okay. Now I'm gonna give it a name, color correction. Look, I made one, so not is not this one. Now it's color correction 1. Now you do save video file MP4, just what you need. MP4 is mean video. Now you click on export. Now you have to wait. Okay, so we finished, guys. Now what I'm going to do is and here it is my video. See? So this is the video about. Hope you enjoyed this video. Um, so don't forget turn on subscribe, turn on the post notification, and give this video a thumbs up. So bye, guys. Have a nice day.